Okay, now that you have completed your first week modules, I'm just going to show you how to access the Cengage assignment specifically. We're going to go to Module 2, and as I said before, you could click on the link within the module by assignment. This assignment is the order of all of my Cengage assignments that you'll have throughout the semester. First, you'll do a Why Am I Here? Polling activity. The next thing you should do then is read the chapter. This should take you about an hour. After you read and take notes of your reading, you also have the opportunity to highlight your text online or take notes as you're reading. I encourage you to use the flash cards that are in the platform or make your own so that you're familiar with the terminology that's presented in that chapter. Take the quiz next. Now, these three assignments are typically done together. There's a break in the days that they are due because we will review some of this information that you'll need to complete the remainder assignments. So to do the video activity, the case study, and the helper studio, I encourage you to come to class prepared by reading the chapter. That way we can have a discussion in class and do our activities. Then you can go in and do the remainder of the assignments that are due to maximize the points that you can earn on those activities. So let me just go ahead and click on Why Am I Here to demonstrate how do you access it. You can see it gives you another page. You have to click on the Load Chapter 4 assignment. It takes you to Cengage, and once Cengage has loaded, it will have the activity. So this is our activity. It's very simple, as you can see. Without me even reading this, I just want to demonstrate how you will complete the assignment. Select whatever option, finish the self-assessment. You have to click that. And then you can finish and exit. You also have the option here to go back if you needed to. So we're going to finish and exit, and then you're done. Now, at this point, your screen is going to look a little different than mine. You won't have this information or the class average, I don't think. But what you will be able to have access to by clicking on this down link to see all of the assignments throughout that I have assigned by clicking on the down arrows. My suggestion is after you do the Why Am I Here, you want to click on the reading. As I said, this will take you approximately 60 minutes or so to go through and read. You also have here where you can do a listen to page. It will read it to you. Okay, so that's an example of using the auto reader. Uh, if you wanted to do any highlights, as I have here, you just need to highlight the area, pick a color that you want to highlight, and there you have it. To the right, you can see some icons here. Specifically, I want to talk about the flashcards. If you click on the flashcards, there are already some terms that you want to be familiar with for each chapter. If you flip over the card, you can see here that it gives you a definition. That is one of the tools that'll help you as you learn this new content. The other thing you need, possibly, is if you want to just do the full book and not by the page, you could click on the full book. It gives you the table of contents by clicking TOC here, and you can scroll to any chapter that you want to read as we go through the semester. That's a quick overview of how to access and highlight during your readings. All right. My suggestion is that you make sure that you only click on links that are available in Canvas, because there are some assignments in our Cengage that I may not assign. While you can do those grades will not integrate with Canvas for a grade. Okay, so make sure you only complete assignments that are in our Canvas page. And once again, that's by going to Canvas and clicking on the ones that you see here. It automatically takes you to the assignment. Okay, hope this helps.